episode, I'm very well equipped. Yeah.
She did homework.
I and ChatGPT had a
Had an relationship. How much amount of fiber that you need for a woman per day?
38.
Super. That is for men. Okay, for women, you want options?
It will always be less than men, right?
Hey, don't ask for women empowerment on this, Ra. It's okay. Women equality even for this, Ra.
Yes. It's very classy, so I made it saucy.
Then I'm messy, yeah.
Wow! Summer timing, huh?
Very joke.
No, he's actually messy. I like.
It's not starch resistant, it is resistant starch. She saw some Instagram reels.
It's like the first banana leaf. இப்படி போட்டாலும் அப்படி போட்டாலும் மாணிக்கம் பழனியப்பன் மாணிக்கம் ரெண்டும் ஒண்ணுதான்.
Resistant starch எப்படி starch resistant? Culinary medicine, cook with Dr. Pal and Priya.
Yeah.
Because food is medicine, we want to teach you how to cook so that your gut is clean and it's a strong foundation so you don't get any diseases.
Yes, so Pal will teach you about it and I will do the practical work for you.
Yeah, and then we wanted to name the show somehow. So we said cook with Dr. Pal and Priya. So
WP squared.
CWP squared.
Or CM with Priya.
CM Dr. Pal. Culinary medicine with Dr. Pal.
What about
Sorry, Vana. Let's get into the episode. You write down in the comment section. Did you listen what she said? What about me? You write in the comment section what could be the title of the episode. Today, we are going to talk about a high protein, high fiber lunch. And the name of the dish is
tofu fried rice. So fried rice is everybody's staple favorites. But you are more inclined towards the street side vendors for taste, and there are so many additives and added flavors which I'm going to reduce, actually eliminate, and do a healthier version of it with protein. I'm going to do it with tofu for you because tofu is much lighter than paneer. It's vegan, it's less on calories, more on proteins, and it goes on and on.
Yeah, not this much on, a little on. Okay, and then decrease in.
So this episode I'm very well equipped. Yeah.
She did homework.
I and ChatGPT had
an relationship. Tofu, important difference. What is the difference between tofu and paneer?
That's what I told you. It's
less in calories,
fat,
okay.
Less in calories, more on protein for the same amount of grams, and then it's vegan.
Okay, you got the point, right? So basically, it is less in calories. That's the most important thing. If you want to choose paneer, choose low fat paneer.
But usually you do like high fat fried rice because of oil and lot of additives. I'm going to keep it as minimal as possible without compromising on the taste. So I'm not going to add any fancy oil. I always prefer avocado, grape, groundnut oil, coconut oil or olive oil. These are the oils that I like. If you don't get it here, coconut oil.
What is the best oil? You tell me.
You should avoid seed oils. Other than that, all the oils you have to take in very limited quantities and on rotational basis.
Right. So my take is that you don't necessarily have to avoid seed oils as well. Yeah, there's a lot of bad thing about seed oil, but the more important thing, more than the seed oil, is the amount, the dosage. The dosage is the key.
This is actually probably 1 whole spoon and little over that because I have a lot of quantity. You can keep the oil as minimal as possible, but I want it to look and taste good, so I'm adding 1.5 spoon.
How much is the calories? 1.5 spoon.
I don't know about that. I didn't talk to ChatGPT.
1 tablespoon, 120. 1.5 is how much?
La.
Answer Pandri.
No, I'm deeply involved in cooking.
Deeply involved. Okay. Whenever I ask a question, deeply involved. What is this?
This is actually
garlic.
Garlic. My favorite. I love garlic in everything.
If you have irritable bowel syndrome with abdominal bloating, garlic is a irritant to your stomach. So if you have bloating, maybe you must think that you can avoid garlic and see whether bloating gets better.
Just like how you are to me.
You cannot avoid, unfortunately.
Minimize the duration of exposure. So I'm actually sauteing the garlic. But if you can handle garlic, garlic is very good for your gut. Okay, so to be a little golden brown.
The more important thing, again guys, any meal, minimum 20 grams of protein and minimum 7 grams of fiber. If you go to 10, it's very well and good, but minimum 7 and 20. Remember that? 30 grams of protein, 10 grams of fiber is even better.
So I'm going to show you all the ingredients before we get started so you can all set it up ready.
Okay.
So it's going to be onions.
Did you see onions? It's not onion.
கரெக்டா பேசினாலும் திட்டுறாங்க, தப்பா பேசினாலும் திட்டுறாங்க.
Until in India it was onion. America போனோனே onion.
Onion,
Like
cabbage.
onion. Well, please. No.
Cabbage, tricolor bell peppers, because I love to include that rainbow, so I'm trying to add as much this color as possible. Usually you don't add peas and carrot in your fried rice, but I will, because I'm a fiber girl.
How many grams of fiber with this? What do you think? Is it small or a lot?
Lot.
It's a lot. Will you say 3 grams, 6 grams, 9 grams?
9 grams.
See, that is the biggest myth I'm going to bust right now. You think that lots of veggies will give you that much amount of fiber? Absolutely not. The whole thing will be giving only like 3 to 5. Not more than that. That is why it is very, very difficult to get fiber. You need to include fiber in every meal.
Okay. So I've sauteed the onions now while he was talking about the fiber.
Peas and carrots.
Yes.
Carrot is rich in which vitamin?
A and C.
How about peas?
I don't know about the vitamins.
Peas. If you take peas, your life will be in peace because it is rich in B complex vitamins a lot. Magnesium, potassium and phosphorus. Oh my God, look at that. White cabbage.
It's green cabbage.
Sorry, green cabbage.
And I'm gonna add all of the bell peppers.
So remember guys, gut bacteria, 40 trillion. So you need to feed them with multiple colors. So she is having red, yellow, green, white.
White is cabbage.
Cabbage.
So there's tricolor bell peppers. So I'm gonna saute everything.
And then you have all this. When do you put this?
Yeah, I'll put it. This needs to be cooked because the peas and the carrots I've already parboiled it. I've steamed it because it takes a lot of time to cook. It will not cook as much as these vegetables, and you have to keep these vegetables crunchier. So you only saute them for like 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay, so we keep on talking about fiber, right? Last episode, I asked you how much amount of fiber that you need for a woman per day.
38.
Super! That is for men. Okay, for women, you want options?
It will always be less than men, right?
Hey, don't ask for women empowerment on this, Ra. It's okay.
I don't like
Women equality even for this, Ra.
Yes, we will also eat 38 grams of fiber.
No.
What will happen if we eat 38 grams of fiber?
Okay, the more the better, but the minimum quantity is 25 grams.
Why is there a discrimination in terms of fiber? Gut bacteria will act accordingly. Women should get only 25% of fiber and men need 38.
That is what the research says. See, nowadays people are talking about so much amount of women empowerment and women equality. They don't know why they are asking at all in which department. Ra? Okay, 25 grams of fiber. Okay, so can you just imagine? I just told you this is 5 grams, right? You need to eat 5 times like this.
Oh, can you pause for a minute? Okay, now I've sauteed all the vegetables. So they're actually crunchy. You don't want to cook them completely.
Great.
So I'm going to take 2 handfuls.
Why? You can put everything together, na?
It will not taste good. Everything has proportion. Like even though you can eat 100 grams of fiber, men can eat only 38 and women can eat only 25. So like that, this fried rice can eat only 3 handful of these veggies.
Fried rice can eat only 3 add. Oh, the more if you add, the taste will be compromised.
Yeah, so
Then
you have to have a good proportion of things.
Okay.
And I think everybody who has some cooking knowledge like I do will understand the proportions. But if they're newbie like Pal and if they are trying to learn, you can look at these quantities and then you can figure out. I usually do 2:1, 2 portions of veggies and 1 portion of rice. Usually people do like 3 portions of rice and 1 portion of veggies, which is the absolute mistake when it comes to fried rice. So we are doing vice versa.
So you are flipping over. It's a reverse fried rice method.
Yeah, so like reverse banana leaf, reverse fry. More veggies, 3 times the veggies to the rice. Today I'm gonna add only white basmati rice because I wanted to keep it very authentic. So the first time you try, you don't hate it completely. But you can try with brown rices, quinoas or anything like that, it will work. But if you want to still have the taste but reap the benefits of fried rice, you can follow this method. And for the fried rice, I've actually parboiled the rice. So it has to be al dente or something they say. I don't know the exact term for it, but it has to be like 70% cooked. When it's hot, you should not. You should make it cold. You can keep it in the fridge the previous day because the old rice has become starch resistant, right?
It's not starch resistant, it is resistant starch. She saw some Instagram reels.
It's like reverse banana leaf. இப்படி போட்டாலும் அப்படி போட்டாலும் மாணிக்கம் பழனியப்பன் பழனியப்பன் மாணிக்கம் ரெண்டும் ஒண்ணுதான்.
Anybody resistance starch எப்படி starch வச்சுட்டோமா? She saw some Instagram reels something.
I'm thinking like reverse banana leaf. If I put it in the reverse format, if you're able to grasp it. I was just checking if you know about it and you do.
Sorry, but just remember resistant starch. When you refrigerate rice, the next day the glucose spike might not be that much, but still the amount matters. So one beautiful thing that she said is 2 times the veggies versus 1 times the rice.
So now before I add the secret, the protein tofu, we are going to do something to all of these veggies. A little bit of sodium soy sauce.
So is there a low sodium soy sauce?
Yeah, there is.
You can buy it?
Yeah, you can buy it. And it's green chili sauce. You can make these green sauces at home if you need. This is a little bit of vinegar. Vinegar is good for your gut bacteria, right?
Yeah, vinegar, most important thing you need to understand is, it is acidic. So sometimes when you drink apple cider vinegar, when you have acidity, that is where the problem is. Where ketchup? What is this?
It's actually ketchup.
Huh?
It's chili sauce. It's not ketchup, it's chili sauce.
Chili
Adding
sauce.
a little bit of it.
Okay.
See, these are store-bought, but I try to buy it in glass bottles. I always read the labels. I buy it less processed as much as possible. So I actually covered it with the lid, so it will be a little bit thicker.
Wow, so saucy.
Yeah, it has to be a little bit saucy because we're going to add the rice and the tofu.
Why is tofu looking slightly brown?
I just sauteed the tofu. If you are going to taste it, it's okay. But if you're giving it to the kids, you can just shallow saute in a pan with a little bit of oil and corn flour if needed.
Corn flour.
Yeah, if you want.
Sure.
Otherwise, you can just skip it and just put raw tofu. It just depends on your taste. Since I wanted to look as aesthetic as possible, I'm trying to saute a little bit.
Okay, a medical question right now. Tofu is coming from where?
Tofu is coming from soybean as well. Okay.
Soybean has both protein, fat and carb, and you remove the fat with a process called de-fatty process or something like that.
Oh, is it good to do that?
Yes, and then the difference between soya chunks and tofu, both are coming from soybean only, okay?
It's time to add rice.
Very important. Soya chunks had carbs and more fiber. Tofu has less carbs, less fiber. If you have bloating with soy, which means you need to go to tofu.
Okay, we are going back to tofu. Your audience will like it, they are Gutman fans. So I'm going to add half of the rice. Needs to feed 4 people, right? It's not that much.
Okay.
If you put all of the veggies, I didn't get a big pan because it's going to take time.
But it's a proportion.
Yeah. So you have to remember 3:1.
But the problem is veggies are always expensive. That is a bigger problem
Veggies
from a
are
government.
Expensive actually. It's not expensive than your mutton or your chicken. Veggies are affordable if you get it in the right place.
No,
It is only time consuming.
It's time consuming expensive to
so
cut
many
and everything. So
vegetables.
that's why you always have to cook
Pre-prep.
as a family.
So look at my fried rice. Street
Wow,
style fried
beautiful.
rice. It's not the regular
Wow.
white. I keep it saucy because it feels good to eat it by your like itself.
Yeah.
It's like one pot meal and an excellent. So I see that kids, right, when they do one pot lunch boxes, they don't add protein. They give rices. But I ask them to add soy chunks or tofu or paneer or chicken or fish or egg, something to their rice with the veggies, so they get their adequate proteins. Very important for school.
My contribution to cooking.
Always kindling.
Kindling.
Just going to garnish a little bit with actually scallions. Green onions are better, but
Scallions.
okay, whatever. Scallions, green onions, vengayathal.
It's very difficult to actually pinpoint when there's a mistake, you understand? But experience says that you don't have to pinpoint right away.
Take time and do it.
In a concealed way.
And face the repercussions in a concealed way.
Yeah. Wow. It looks so good. 100 grams of tofu, guys. 15-16 grams of protein very easily. And remember, there is no carbs. So if you're following some low-carb diet, tofu is a wonderful, wonderful add-on. If it was me, I would have replaced the basmati rice with quinoa. Quinoa fried rice is also very good. And quinoa will give you that extra fiber.
Yes. So for beginners who are trying to get healthy but at the same time have some cravings, this is a very good option.
And it didn't take that much time at all.
Yeah, it's quick. The cutting and the assembling part takes a lot of time, but once everything is ready, the tossing only takes about 10 minutes. So it's a lot of
Oh
tofu
my
and
god.
easily. This you should not eat one. I'm just portioning it up. It's for 2 of them. So wait, let me garnish it a little bit more.
Wow.
Aesthetic look is very important when it comes to food.
Alright, ready?
It's okay. First you taste and let me know if it's good.
Let's see. I have made that mistake before.
One thing good about Pal is he doesn't know the actual taste of the food. He always says it's good. I'm the one who will pinpoint and find the mistakes in it. It's hot,
No, very good. Maybe too saucy.
too saucy.
Mm.
Maybe you can reduce the sauce a little bit.
Tastes really good. Again, remember guys, whenever I say food,
I'm very classy, so I made it saucy.
then I'm messy, yeah.
Wow! Summer timing, huh?
That is very good.
Even though he's actually messy, I like.
Oh.
I'm classy, I'm messy, this is saucy. Wow, we've become TR now.
But whenever I look at food, remember, you look at food from your gut bacteria.
So this is an indulgence, healthy food, I would say.
You want to taste it?
It's fine. I'll taste a little bit. Not bad.
In my opinion, I think this is a good gut-friendly dish where you have the protein through tofu, you have all the fiber through all the vegetables. The more the vegetables, remember the reverse ratio. And more importantly, the oil has to be a little bit less. And if you want to go to the next level, replace basmati rice with
Brown basmati rice, quinoa, red rice,
millet.
You
Any
can go
millet.
millet.
But make sure that you
it's
soak
not
it.
taste close to authentic fried rice, but still it will give you that variation. If you're really on that mark, you can do it. Otherwise, start here, I would say.
Okay, perfect. Sounds good. You let me know in the comment section in terms of what you want to see more. And this is a perfect lunch.
Prepared by Priya.
Priya's perfect lunch. PPL, like I.
Priya name perfect than PP. I'm P squared.
என்னால முடியல உங்களால முடியலன்னு தெரியும். I'll see you in the next video, okay?
Yeah.
Bye bye.